are well at your home. Last week we have completed output devices. Today I am going to start storage devices. So, are you ready? Yes. So, I am starting my class. So, watch all the modules carefully. And if you have any problem, write in comment section. What are storage devices? Yes, storage devices are used to store data and information. Devices which are used to store data that are known as storage devices. There are number of storage devices. First is what? Let's play a game. I am giving you answers. You have to solve these answers and give the questions of these answers. What is it? It is hard disk drive. It is the main permanent storage area of the computer. It is a disk pack that consists of many flexible circular platters that use magnetic particles to store data, instructions, and information. And next one is, what is it? You all know about it. Yes, it's a optical disc. It is also a type of storage media that consists of a flat, round, portable disc made of metal, plastic, etc. Some optical disc formats are read only and some are read and write. That means what? The drives which are used to write on the media and read write which allow user to save on the disk just as they save on a hard disk. And next one is, yes, next one is compact disk. It is also a storage device. It is also have two types. First is CD-ROM and second one is DVD-ROM. Then question arises, what is CD-ROM? CD-ROM stands for compact disc read only memory. And second one is digital versatile disc read only memory. Then what's the difference between them? Yes, both are used to store the data, but a DVD-ROM can store large amount of data as compared to CD-ROM. There is a difference between them according to their capacity of storage of data. Next is recordable CD and DVD are. Both are multi-session compact disc on which we can write only for one time and we cannot erase the disk content. That means we can record our own items such as text, graphics and audio only for one time. That is mean of R. Next one is CD rewritable and DVD rewritable. You all have seen on the CD that on some CDs there are CD-R and on some CDs there are CD-RW. Then what's the difference between both of them? CD rewritable means and DVD rewritable means that both are erasable disks on which we can write multiple times. On the other hand, CD-R and DVD-R means that on which we cannot write more than one time. That is the difference between CD-R and CD-RW. Is it clear? Okay. Next is Blu-ray disc. Yes, Blu-ray disc is a new DVD format which has a higher capacity and better quality than standard DVDs. It is like your compact disc, your optical disc, but it has a storage capacity of 100 GB. Next is, yes, you all know about it. What is it? It is a flash drive. Yes, you all know. It's also known as pen drive that we plug in a USB port of a computer, and it's a lightweight and it is a portable device. With this device, we can easily transfer data in our system, and we can take data from our system to in this drive, and easily with this drive we can easily paste the data in the other system. So we can say it acts as an interface between two computer devices. It takes data from one device and puts data into another device. It is clear? Next. Next is memory card. It is also a removable storage device that we insert in or remove from a slot in a computer mobile device. When we have a shortage of space in our computer, in our mobile device, then we insert a memory card inside our system so that we can increase the storage area of our devices. That is known as memory card. These all are about storage devices. Thank you.